In today's video, we will learn how we can download the MySQL server in our system. For that, I will provide the link of this page in the description of my video, or otherwise you can open any browser and just write download free MySQL server database. It will show you the by default the original site of the mysql.com. You can click on this link and then just scroll down and then click on the MySQL Community GPL download link and then click on the MySQL Community Server option and then click on the go to download page option and then click on the download option. When you will click on the download option, it will take you to this page which I told you that the description of this link, the direct page, I'll link of this page I'll specify in the description of my video so that you don't have to go to so many pages for that. And after that you don't have to log in and sign up. Just click on just start download in my system. After clicking on it will start downloading in our system. After downloading, click on this icon to download in your system, to start installation in your system. Because in my system 5.5 version is already installed. Before installation, it will ask you to change the device configuration. If you have already installed antivirus in your system, then please turn off the firewall, otherwise it will not install in your system. Because it is already installed in my system, then I can click on the add option to install the 8 version in my system. Because in the CBSE syllabus, only MySQL server is an our course, so that we just focusing on the MySQL server option. After clicking on all these options, you can click on the arrow button and then click on the next option. Click on the execute button to start the installation process. It won't take so much time to install in your system. There is another way also that I'll tell you after that. First, let this 8 version to install in our system. After that, ready to configure, click on the next button. Here we are focusing on the server side. It will start because it is already installed. Then I can click on this option and click on the installation. Installation finished and then click on the finish. Both the things already installed in my system. And after installation, then when you will type the MySQL server, both the things, MySQL command line and MySQL 5.5 version, anything that you can open in your system. And when you will open it, it will ask you the password for that. You can just provide the password that you have specified at the time of installation. And after that, click on this option. I can show you how you can install the 5.5 version when it will ask you the password option. When we will install it, because both the versions already installed in my system, that is why it is not asking any password option. By default, it will take 1, 2, 3, 4 because I have specified at the time of installation. When you will reconfigure the things, server type, then when you will click on the next option, it will ask you the password. By default, it will take the root password, root username, but if you want to specify your own username, then you can click on the add, specify your own name for the user, and then accordingly you can specify the password. Automatically the process will go on. just provide the simple password so that it will be convenient for you to execute the things. Right now I'm just not reconfiguring the things, and I have opened the MySQL part. Now after opening the things, you just have to focus on the MySQL command line client. Either you can open this one or you can open this one. That is your choice. I hope this much is clear to you ki how you can do the work on the MySQL community. There is another way also to install the MySQL. If you don't want to go for the lengthy process, then it will be easier. Then you can directly go to cs2study.com website. In this website, MySQL software link is specified in the menu bar. There are two options, two different versions of the MySQL is available according to the bit of your operating system. How you can find out ki which bit version is which bit is providing my operating system. For that, you can open my PC and right click on the my PC option. In the print, when you will right click on the properties option, it will show you the 64-bit operating system. It shows that my window is providing 64-bit. According to the bit of your operating system, you can download the MySQL. This is another way also. I hope by watching this video, both the options is clear to you how you can download the MySQL from the authentic website, or you can download the software which is same effective from the this cs2study.com website also. Thank you for watching the video.